Do you want to create the videos like this? Like this? Or like this? Video, I am going to explore the website who make these types of videos free and watch the video till the end, because I will tell you how to earn money by this website. Hey everyone! Are you looking for a design platform that does it all? Whether you're a solo creator, a small business owner, or part of a large team, today we're talking about Renderforest, the ultimate AI-powered design platform that's changing the game for creators everywhere. Renderforest is an all-in-one online platform that lets you create stunning videos, animations, logos, websites, and marketing materials all in one place. And the best part? It's super easy to use, even if you're not a design pro. Let's dive into what makes Renderforest so special. First up, video creation. With hundreds of customizable templates, you can create professional quality videos in minutes. Whether it's for YouTube, social media, or presentations, Renderforest has you covered. Next, logo design. Need a brand identity? Renderforest Logo Maker uses AI to generate unique, professional logos in seconds. Just input your preferences and voila, your brand stands out. And don't forget about website building. With Renderforest, you can create a stunning website without touching a single line of code. Choose from modern templates, customize them to fit your brand, and go live in no time. But wait, there's more. Renderforest also offers tools for animations, mockups, and marketing materials, making it the ultimate toolkit for all your creative needs. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what users are saying about Renderforest. Renderforest made video creation so easy. The Logo Maker is a game changer for my small business. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Renderforest is everything you need to bring your ideas to life. And with its affordable subscription plans, it's accessible to everyone. Click the link in the description to try Renderforest today. 1. Offer design services as a freelancer. How it works. Use Renderforest tools to create professional videos, logos, websites, and animations for clients. Promote your services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or social media. Charge clients for custom designs. Create and sell templates. How it works. Design custom templates for videos, logos, or websites using Renderforest and sell them to other users. 3. Start a YouTube channel or online course. How it works. Teach others how to use Renderforest to create professional designs. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more AI updates. See you in the next video.